Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions on HONOR Magic5 Lite. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, inside find accessibility features, and here you should be able to see shortcuts and gestures. First one is Google Assistant, and here if you enable it, you can wake your Google Assistant by holding a power key for 1 second. In case you want to power off your device, hold it for 3 seconds. Let's try it, and as you can see, it works fine. Next thing is take a screenshot, and here you'll be able to use your knuckle to take a different type of screenshots. So first one is simple screenshot, just use your knuckle and knock on your screen twice. Next one is partial screenshot, and here you need to knock and draw the image, object, whatever you want to take a partial screenshot of with your knuckle. So it works like this. Next is a scroll shot, so you need to knock with your knuckle and draw S. And this will make a scrollable screenshot if the page allows it. And the last one is use your 3 fingers and scroll them from top of the screen to make the swipe shot. It's a bit tricky on this phone. Okay, it was disabled. Sorry, stupid me. And yeah, it works fine. Now the next options are wake screen, or actually sorry, record screen, and you need to use your 2 knuckles, knock on your phone, and it should begin screen recording. And here we have wake screen. You can raise your device to turn it on when it's on the locked screen. You need to turn both of the options first. Then there's tap on the screen twice to turn it on. So let's lock it and try to use it. So the double tap works fine, and when we lift it without pressing any button, it also wakes up our phone. And the last one is mute ringtone, so you can flip your phone like this, and it should mute your phone or for all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.